everyone. So, as we know that it is June 2 today. So, from June 1, Google Photos have reportedly stopped taking free photos for upload. Anything which you upload now on Google Photos will be counted against storage quota. Hello everyone. As we know that from June 2021, Google Photos would no longer be providing free uploads. All the photos uploaded to Google Photos after June 2021 would be counted against your 15 GB storage for Google Drive. If you're someone who clicks a lot of images, it won't be sufficient for you. So many of us might be who are using Google Photos might be looking for several other options and alternatives as well. So the thing about alternatives is that they are very much limited. For example, if you are looking at the Dropbox, then Dropbox simply offers only 2 GB of storage, which is very limited when you are considering photos. And even if you are looking at OneDrive even offers just 5 GB storage for the start. There are several other options as well which are not so worth it. So I'm not making a separate alternative video for Google Photos alternatives because I want to wait for Amazon Photos, which is soon going to make its way into India, but it hasn't come to India yet. So let's wait and watch. But till then, what should you do? What other services which you can look for? Well, I have been looking for it for several days and even before June was starting, but I wasn't able to find something which is there. Well, surely there are some Chinese alternatives like Terabox, which offer 1 TB of storage, but I don't know whether you should trust them with your photos since it is a Chinese app. But other than that, Terabox is a good option. So right now there we are simply going to use a trick which you can use on Google Photos. That is, we are simply going to create a new account on Google, and then you can use this Google Photos account in order to do the same. As you can see, I created the new Google Photos account. So all I will do is simply open the Google Photos, and then there is simply a thing which feature in Google Photos which allows you to set your partner. As you can see, it says that add a partner account and give a partner access to all of your photos. So by using this, we can temporarily use your old Google Photos and also sign in with this particular ID on your phone. And so all of your photos will be uploaded on this new account. And here you will have all the complete 15 GB. So once you are getting started, all you have to do is type your existing email on which you are using a Google Photos. As you can see, this is it, and then you are going to do next. So what you want to share with the older account is simply you are going to upload all your photos starting from all over here into here. So now simply click on all photos, or you can also do specific people if you are sharing it with someone else, but this is a handy little feature. Only show photos till this day. No, so simply we are going to click on next and then all of your photos, and then an invitation will be sent. Now this particular invitation will be sent in the Gmail of the email ID you gave. All you have to do is simply approve it. So now after you have taken the approval, as you can see, now you are going to take approval of this. Now you can do save all of your favorites automatically, so they will be showing into your search results and creations as well. But we are not going to do that right now because if you are going to save all of your photos, then it will take your storage 1 second. So keeping it none, all of your photos whichever are there will be shown over here. So as you can see here, the partner sharing. So as you can see here, the partner sharing is on and it shows my name. But let us try uploading a particular photo. Maybe this pictures which we have. Okay, simply uploading 2 photos over here. Okay, now these 2 photos are added. Now all we are going to do is check if it shows in the Google Photos app. So as you can see, the photos won't be showed in this home page. Which shows all of it, but you have to go into the sharing tab and then click over here, and then it will show you the photos which were uploaded over here. So this is the only catch which you need to bear in mind, but you can directly access the photos from your other account into this. So for viewing purposes, this is a good option. But if you change the setting option over here, if you are if you are doing into the settings and then turning on auto download, then it will download all of it into your files. So that is going to take storage as well. So this is the trick which you can follow in order to get all of the photos which you are uploading into a new account for the 15 GB as well in your photos. Well, the only drawback is that it won't show up directly into your account, or Google won't even apply face recognition or anything like that. For in order to assess that, you need to open the Google Photos using that new account which you have created. But in order just for viewing purposes on one single account on any device which you're using, you can use a partner sharing option as I've shown in the video in order to do that for the timing. Well, for right now, Google Photos is the only good option which is available. The other photos sharing apps don't have much features or anything like that. So they have the restricted storage ability as well. The other alternative which I was talking about is the Terabox, which comes with 1 TB of storage, but since it is Chinese, it is very difficult to recommend. Also, I made a video about DigiBox, which you can check it out. Thanks for watching.